Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up alarm clock on RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all we need to do is we need to find a clock app, which in my case isn't here. Oh no, is here, sorry, my bad. Then we click this big plus and then select an hour here on the left side. Let's select 11 o'clock and 5th minute. Here you have repeat, which means you can select the days it repeats. Here you have alarm sounds. You can change the alarm sound however you want. You can choose the length of snooze. Let's pick 20 minutes. And labor, you can call it, for example, work, out, or school or something. Okay, let's click it. It should ring. Oh, it's set for 1 day. Okay, let's choose it now. Less than a minute. Oh, as you can see, upcoming alarm. Okay, it should ring any minute now. As you can see, that the alarm worked. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.